Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change home screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A27. To do it, you can just go straight into settings, and in the settings you can find wallpaper and style. Then you can click on change wallpapers, and now you can select what kind of wallpaper you'd like to apply. In featured, there will be some featured ones, of course. There are some graphical, some colors, and some services like dynamic wallpapers and stuff like that. You can also click on get more wallpapers, but you can also set your own picture, which most people do. So if I go to recent, I can find pictures that I have on my phone. I can select one or more up to 15. I'll just set one for a static wallpaper look. Then I can select whether I want to apply it for lock screen or home screen or both at once. I'll just do home screen because that's what the video is about. Let's click on next. Now it will let me customize it a little bit, which is also pretty cool. I can click on suggest, so it will suggest me what I can do with that wallpaper to make it look a little different. So there are some suggestions here. I think that's cool, but I'll go back. You can also customize it yourself by selecting frame, for example. Then you can select a shape of a frame. I'll do this one. And you can change the color of the frame. I do like the one that is currently applied. I can also resize the image here. And I can even give it an effect like blur, grayscale, or apply a color. I do like the dark one, and I'll do maybe the purple one. And now let's apply it. And let's click on done. And this is my wallpaper now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.